what do you think about buying properties that were built before 1900s? Let's say if everything is both modernized and renovated, even electric pipes, sewage, roof, walls, etc. Again, the good part on the properties which were built before 1924, you having a higher depreciation. So you having a 3% amortization. Instead of like after 1925. So then you have a 2%.
Which you will also get for the new ones.
3%, the new ones.
Yeah. And for 24, was it?
No, that's with the AFA, with the Förderung. Then you get another tax benefit. Yeah. I mean, it's an individual question, to be honest. Again, check everything. Usually these types of properties are Denkmäler, so they are really protected properties, okay? I don't know if it's a kind of a property where you save some taxes. There's also another strategy. You kind of have to pitch in with more money at the beginning, but having a lot tax advantages, right, within the next years. But again, I believe these properties are pretty famous. It depends on what area. If we're talking here about Munich, yes. But again, check really everything, because we're gonna talk later also about the energy things and see what type of heater is there, if it's gonna be renewed. So this kind of things really, really matter. Check the protocols for sure. Yeah. But you even right, even renovated, even electric pipes. Yeah, that's I believe it's like kind of a Denkmal. And a Denkmal, just to add that, is that if anything occurs on that property, the government or the city is pretty behind that. So they really do it right away. So they don't wait for such a long time. They do it right away. They do everything. And see also about the ROI on these properties and the area.